In our gospel, we hear Jesus speak of a seed that must fall to the ground and die in order to bear much fruit. Alam nyo, itong passage na ito ay nagpapaalala sa atin ng profound wisdom of prudence. Di ba ang prudence ay isa sa ating 4 cardinal virtues? Ito ay panawagan sa atin na mag-discern ng best course of action in every situation. Sa ating buhay, we experience na mahirap maging prudent, lalo na kung hindi mo nakikitaan ng ganitong virtue ang taong kasalamuha mo. Kaya ang tendency ay magsalita o mag-act na lang nang hindi mo iniisip yung mararamdaman ng iba. Pero magandang paalala ito ng gospel. Just as seed must be wisely planted in the right soil and conditions to yield a fruitful harvest, so must we exercise prudence in our daily lives. Nagpa-practice naman, ang kailangan lang ay isabuhay pa. In our decisions and choices, let us live the prudence of the seed. May we discern when to let go of our own desires and ego in order to surrender to God's will, trusting that in doing so, we will bear the fruits of love, compassion, and grace. By living prudently, pwede tayong maging inspiration sa iba. Handa ka bang mamuhay batay sa kabaitan na kaloob ng Diyos? G ka ba?